Hello guys, and welcome back to Doc Mac Garage. And today what I'm going to show you is how to replace the tail light on your Toyota Camry. Now this will work from 2002 all the way through to 2018, so it's fairly easy to do. And without further ado, let's get into it. Consider subscribing if you haven't already. First thing you want to do is you want to pop open the trunk. Alright guys, so the official way to do this is actually to remove the bumper first. Whole bumper has to come out because there is another clip behind here. The trick I've come up with is 1/4 inch drive ratchet, 1/4 inch extension, and also a 10mm socket, a flathead screwdriver. And what you're going to do is you're going to push this one in gently and pop this cap out. Now this will expose a 10mm bolt right here, or a screw. Okay, now what you're going to do is you're going to undo that one. Okay, so that is the bolt which is in there. This is the inside of the car. So now what you want to do is you'll have some thumb screws right here, and you want to pull that thumb screw out, and all you need to do is you need to just put your flathead screwdriver under this one and pop it out. Okay, so this one has already been taken out. This car's been worked on by monkeys before. Now for this one, you just need to push and pull out, and that should come out. But somebody has super glued this one before. So what you're going to do is you're going to pull this one aside. Okay, let's check if there's any more. There's one more trim right here. So anything with push pin clips you will need to take out, like so. And this one will need to be pushed in and then pulled out. So now we have that one out. We're going to push this trim a little bit out, and that will expose the different nuts right here. So you'll have 1, 2, 3, and 4 different nuts right here. So what you want to do first is you want to pull this bulb out like so. You're going to twist and you're going to pull. So it's this one, this one, this one, and there will be another one right here. These are the nuts you want to take out. Normally you would need to remove the bumper first, but I'm going to try to give it a go to try to take the light out without removing the bumper. And we have a little bit of flex in the bumper right here. We can pull the bumper back. Like so. And we're going to have to try to clear the tab right here. You can see that there's a tab behind there, and we're going to try to see if we can take that one out. Okay, there you go. I have managed to clear it from the hooks now. Rather than taking out the whole bumper, I have managed to clear this hook right here because it needs to go in right here first. So there you go guys. That's how you can remove the rear light without removing the rear bumper. Now I have put all of the bolts back. As you can see, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and you can see that it has actually got some grooves in it. So what you want to do is you want to put it in, twist until it seats in, and then you want to twist it until it locks in place. The same thing for the signal bulb as well. You want to make sure that it seats in place nicely. So you can see there's a groove right there, and there you go. That's now nice and locked and tight. So just lift a little bit. You can lift this one a bit, and then you can push it in until it seats nicely. And you want to make it look like a factory. Like so. Yep, and then you want to make sure these all seats properly, and you want to push it in there. And then what you can do is make sure that the rubber seats over this so that it gives a good seal. And then you're going to put any thumb screws that you've taken out, you just need to put those ones back. Now there's one more thumb screw I need to put back there. Bring that 10mm bolt back in here now. You want the cap part to push in first, like so, and then press in, like so. And that will be it. And that's job done, folks. So that's how you replace a tail light on a Toyota Camry 2002 all the way through to 2018. Thanks guys, have a great day, and make sure to subscribe.